Do you want to be able to live longer, have less stress, and have a good body image? This can be done with exercise. Exercising can decrease the risk of diseases, increase your lifespan, help stress, and create a healthy body image. By the end of my argument, I will prove that people should exercise at least 150 minutes a week. According to the journal Everything You Need to Know About Obesity in America in 2019, Caitlin Newman stated that 2/3 of American adults are overweight or obese. On top of that, she also stated that obesity causes 1 in every 5 deaths in the U.S. each year. Today I will discuss how obesity is a problem in the United States. When people exercise, their health and lifespan increases. Obesity is a big problem in the U.S. With obesity, it increases the risk of diseases and decreases lifespan. In America, food is advertised everywhere. Most Americans choose the option to purchase food that is cheap, yet unhealthy, and is also easy to obtain. No effort is being made by the consumer to purchase food. According to a journal created in 2019, Caitlin Newman stated, people from all economic backgrounds often eat for social, cultural, and emotional reasons, not just for hunger. The causes of obesity include eating unhealthy foods, eating too much food, and no exercise or not enough appropriate exercise. Obesity leads to diabetes, heart diseases, and strokes. This causes many trips and money spent to hospitals on medications and on surgeries. Now that I've discussed obesity in America and the causes and risks, let me move on to my next point, which is a solution to obesity. A solution to decreasing the amount of obesity and increasing lifespan is exercising. In an article in 2020, the CDC stated, regular physical activity is one of the most important things you can do for your health. Everyone can experience the health benefits of physical activity. Age, abilities, ethnicity, shape, or size doesn't matter. If you're not sure about becoming active or boosting your level of physical activity because you're afraid of getting hurt, the good news is that moderate to intense aerobic activity, such as brisk walking, is safe for most people. The CDC suggests in an article in 2020 that one should ease into exercising 150 minutes a week using moderate to intense aerobic activity. That is, to maintain a healthy weight. If one is wanting to lose and keep off weight, high amount of exercise is needed unless you also adjust your diet and reduce the number of calories you're eating. According to Medline Plus in 2020, benefits of exercise include controlling healthy weight, reducing risk of heart disease, helping your body manage sugar and insulin levels, improving mental status and mood, strengthening bones and muscles, helping cognitive thinking skills, sleeping better, and reducing the risk of cancers. The Mayo Clinic says in their article in 2020, regular exercise can help diabetes, high blood pressure, depression, anxiety, and prevent strokes and cancer. Now that I've discussed benefits of exercise, I'm going to move on to my next point, which is the application of exercise and the outcome of adopting exercise. The world when people are exercising at least 150 minutes a week and obesity is less prominent, people start living longer and they don't make as many trips to the doctor. Exercising in this world helps their immune system, and those who are in shape won't have to worry as much about the risk of diseases or heart attack. Everyone will be living a happier life, as exercising secretes hormones that alter positive mood change, and those continue to sleep better. Today I've discussed why people should exercise for at least 150 minutes a week. Obesity is a huge problem in the United States. In order to decrease the amount of obesity, Americans need to exercise. There are many benefits to exercising. When people exercise, their health and lifespan increases. In order to decrease obesity in America, exercising a few times a week is necessary. As little as walking, jogging, and doing yard work will always make a difference.